keywords var, const and let in JavaScript. How do they compare? What are the differences between them? VAR was the only existing keyword to declare variables with, before 2015. Variables declared with this keyword are attached to window, can be reassigned and redeclared later within their scope, which is either local, or global. If a variable is declared with var and not given any value, it will have a value of undefined. Let was introduced in the S6 in 2015. Variables declared globally with this keyword are not attached to window. Let variables can be reassigned but can't be redeclared within their scope, which can be global and block scope. If a variable is declared with let and not given any value, it will have a value of undefined. CONST was introduced in the S6 in 2015. Variables globally declared with this keyword are attached to window and they can't be both reassigned and redeclared within any scope, which is either global or block scope. If a variable is declared with const and not given any value, it will throw syntax error,